This video is for the Mooker forum. Okay, it's got 5 magnets. Okay, and I'll show you the polarities. Okay, they switch. Okay, black line is the switching point. Okay, where they switch polarities. Now I just mounted a bolt here. Every time it's going to land on the bridge. Okay, right in between the polarities. It makes a keeper, and every time it's going to land right on the bridge. Okay, that's the attraction point. So we want to neutralize that out. So that's not the strong point, where there's not a sticky spot there every single time. Okay, so that one's even spacing, 5 magnets. It don't matter where the bridge is, it's gonna stick wherever it is in between those two. Okay, next, if you watched Tinman's video, he has something like this. Now his is, as he commented on the forum, his are a lot closer. Okay, but now watch where it stops. Now it will not stop on the bridge. So the bridge is right in the middle. It won't stop on the bridge. It doesn't want to be there. It wants to be there, or it wants to be there. Anytime you spin this and it lands on the magnets, it won't stick on the bridge. This one, when they're evenly spaced, wants to stick on the bridge. Now, you might say it's because of this sideways magnet that's doing it, right? That's why it's doing it, you think? Okay, let's test it out. Now we're going to take 4 without a sideways magnet. So here's the bridge. So it's the same, it's the exact same as the 5 one, except it's missing a magnet, or there's a little more space in between the bridge, right? But now look, it doesn't want to stick at that bridge. It's not gonna act like a keeper. It's never gonna bridge that because they're spaced too far. Okay? Okay, and I have one more. Actually, I got a bunch more printed, but these are the ones I'm going to show. One more, like that other one, but now the sideways magnet, the magnet on edge, is 5 millimeters back. So instead of being at the edge, it's even with the back of the magnets. Let's see what happens. Same thing. It does not want to stick at the bridge. So, in my opinion, I'm not convinced this sideways magnet's really doing much at all. I think you could neutralize out the bridge by just getting the correct spacing, where it's attracted to the bridge that's equal to the spacing of loss of magnetism, where it's just neutral, where it would land anywhere. So I think a good idea would be to pick what type of metal you want to use, make a rig like this, and make a couple prints to find out the spacing where it would stick here, or it would stick here, or it would stick here, all equally, where it don't care which one it sticks to. But on this one, as I showed in the beginning, anytime it's coming in, it's going to stick to the bridge. And any variation, whether it has a middle one on edge, a middle one on edge flush, or no middle one and a space there, anytime it's not going to land at the bridge. So if I reduce the spacing a little bit at a time to figure out how much space it needs to be equal, where It's close enough to be attracted to the bridge, but far enough to be not more attracted than anywhere else. And then I think it would be possible.